So, good morning, everyone. Today we are going to learn about some important commands which are used in the VLSI DFT. Okay. Before that, I am going to create a directory. So, my directory is what is the command for creating a directory? mkdir. So, if you don't know, please go through my previous videos. So, I clearly explained the basic commands of Linux which are used in the VLSI DFT course. mkdir, I'm creating Marish. This is my directory. So where I was, PWD, you want to check where you are. So I was at desktop. So if I click on ls, so my directory is appearing there. So if I want to know the permissions of my directory, ls-lrt. lrt. So here you can see that it is a directory. It is clearly mentioned it as a D and I have all the permissions. So now I am entering into the directory CD. Now if I'm where I was at Marish directory. Now I'm creating a files. Two files, touch a.txt and b.txt. So I'm going to open these two files. Yeah. First one file I will write some matter. For that escape I is an insert option. So I'm writing hello. So this is Maresh. Yeah. So now what I'm going to do now? So I'm going to save it column W. We want to close it means column Q. So I closed the file a.txt. Now I'm going to compare the differences between the a.txt and b.txt. b.txt. Now I'm using the command gvim a.txt and b.txt. You just press the tab, automatically it will come. Yeah, gvim it is going to open it. Actually, gvim diff, I'm using the gvim diff command to compare both. So gvim diff a.txt and b.txt. Yeah, it will ask you to continue, press enter. You see here, my a.txt, I have hello, this is Marish. My b.txt, I haven't entered any matter. So it is showing empty. So if there any line mismatches are there, if you want to insert the lines means SC space NU, column SV space NU. So how can you give this SC space NU means should press escape and column SC space NU. So I am going to close this one. So just using the column Q. Another one, column Q. I just closed those two files. Now I'm going to open b.txt. Just B, then press tab. So enter. Now I open the b.txt here. So I'm open the b.txt file. I want to open a.txt within this window. So what to do now? Just column sp split. Sp means split. A.txt split horizontally. You see the above one is the a.txt and below one is the b.txt. You can observe here. A.txt and below b.txt. Suppose if you want to split vertically means I'm just closing it. So we are at b.txt. I want to open a.txt. So I'm just using escape column VSP. VSP. So my text is b.txt. So both the files opened vertically. So horizontally open means SP, vertical open means VSP. So those two commands. So if you want to know the difference between these two files means gvim diff. Escape. Suppose I'm closing these two. I'm going to write some information about within the b.txt, just b.txt, escape I, insert mode, I'm entering into the hello. This is, and also hi, hello. So to show the difference between these two files, now I'm save and quit, WQ. WQ is save and quit, close. So I'm going to find the difference between these two files. So gvim diff a.txt and b.txt. Press enter. You see here, the line number 1 and 2, line number 1 is as it is, same, and line number 2 is, there is some difference, so it is indicated with red color. So line number 3 and 4 are there in the b.txt, but not there in the a.txt. So like this, we can able to compare two files. So with the help of gvim def command. Okay, thank you all. Please share and subscribe my channel.
Channel